One day, Ali bought a talking parrot from the market. The shopkeeper warned him, "Be careful, this parrot is very clever, but a little naughty." Ali laughed and took it home. The first morning, the parrot shouted, "Wake up, lazy boy! Even your alarm clock gave up." Ali nearly fell off the bed. Later, when Ali's friend came to visit, the parrot squawked. "Don't believe him, he never shares his snacks." His friend burst out laughing. Ali tried to teach the parrot polite phrases like, "Welcome" and "Thank you." Instead, the parrot learned to say, "Bring me chips first." Every time Ali opened the fridge, the bird yelled, "Don't eat without me!" Finally, one day when Ali's mother scolded him for being messy, the parrot added, "Yes, listen to your mom. You're hopeless." Everyone laughed so hard that Ali couldn't even argue. Ali realized the shopkeeper was right. The parrot was clever, naughty, but also the funniest roommate he ever had.